guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother LB5000M Marvel Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. It is recognized to be full-featured embroidery and sewing machine that allows you to create the styles of your choice and add the embroidery of the characters you want at ease. So, the end user can switch between these characters easily. It includes 3 separate interchangeable character faceplates, which are inclusive of Iron Man, Captain America, and Incredible Hulk, along with the Marvel Avengers faceplate. You can avail 10 designs of Marvel Comics from Embroidery.com, along with 10 different extra superhero-inspired designs. Besides this, it comes with 10 unique styles of buttonholes, 103 different sewing stitches, as well as 80 ready-made designs of embroidery. It also has 9 ready-made fonts for monogramming. The LCD touchscreen display of this model is 3.2 inches and allows you to preview the designs you want before you sew them. It features an embroidery field of 4 inches by 4 inches apart from 7 sewing feet, embroidery arm, and an included hoop. Again, it possesses a ready-made USB port, which lets you bring the embroidery designs of your own and stitch them on the machine. The automatic needle threader is another worth mentioning feature of this product, which enables the potential user to thread the needle with the aid of the single press of the lever. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Genome MemoryCraft 400E Embroidery Machine. People who want to purchase an embroidery machine without burning a hole in the pocket can choose this machine. This embroidery machine is loaded with a wide array of features that have an important role in enhancing the popularity of the product. It comprises of an embroidery field of 7.9 x 7.9, which offers a competitive edge over other embroidery machines. This model has become the heartthrob of several years owing to the 3- and 2-letter monogramming, 6 unique fonts for monogramming, 160 ready-made designs, and top-loading bobbin. If the memory becomes full, you can transfer the designs easily through the USB port. With a sewing speed within the range of 400 to 860 SPM, you can create amazing designs like never before. The on-screen editing functions of this model are inclusive of drag and drop, flip, rotate, arc, reduce, increase. The targeted audience selects this product, leaving other models due to the presence of adjustable hoop positioning, automatic thread cutter, LCD touchscreen, bobbin thread sensor, programmable jump thread trimming, embroidery hoop, etc. At number 3, we have the Brother PE550D Embroidery Machine. This embroidery machine has gained a high prominence owing to the embroidery field of 4x4, which can confer a larger area for sewing. The ready-made alignment tools and grid sheet included with this model is vital for aligning the position of the needle and design. Likewise, it has an LCD touchscreen display by which you can view the designs of the embroidery in full color. The automatic needle threader helps in threading the needle with the single touch of the lever. You can select from the 125 ready-made designs of embroidery, 6 lettering fonts, 9 built-in fonts, 45 designs of Disney, to come up with unique patterns. You can refer to the built-in USB port for importing .page design files. You will be capable of bringing an adjustment in the 6 ready-made embroidery lettering fonts in several ways, due to the presence of embroidery lettering editing feature. This box includes 4 spool caps, a disc-shaped screwdriver, a cleaning brush, a seam ripper, a power cord, a spool net, machine dust cover, etc. At number 2, we have the Eversone Sparrow X, Next Generation Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This embroidery and sewing machine features an embroidery area of almost 4.75 times 7 inches. With a maximum stitching speed of almost 850 revolutions per minute, you can choose from 100 embroidery designs. It is loved by the end user owing to the straight stitch plate speed control and ready-made thread cutter. The built-in Wi-Fi is worth mentioning feature of this model, which helps in monitoring the progress of the work. The intuitive application, which is included with this unit, helps in achieving amazing embroidery results. It is possible to personalize the designs in certain steps with the aid of the smart device. The Eversone Pro app is effective in bringing a change in the thread colors, importing the embroidery files, and personalizing the patterns without any limitation. The potential audience can utilize advanced thread cutting for cutting different jump stitches, and thus you can get a clean finished design. With more than 120 stitches and 100 embroidery designs, you can get the right pattern for the project. The straight stitch plate, speed control, and ready-made cutter are other optimum features of this unit. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother PE800, 5x7 embroidery machine. This embroidery machine stands second to none in creating amazing embroidery designs. It boasts of an embroidery field of 5 inches by 7 inches to complete larger projects easily. You can select from any of the 138 built-in designs, 11 ready-made fonts, and 10 unique frame designs. Users opt for this model owing to the extra design editing feature, which imparts the flexibilities for mirror imaging, rotating, reducing, and enhancing the size of the model's designs. This embroidery machine has a touch LCD display that can change the colors of embroidery thread with the aid of the ready-made color palette and preview before stitching. The automatic needle threader saves a lot of time as it helps to thread the needle with the single touch of the lever. The built-in LED light offers sufficient light around the needle area, and hence you do not need to encounter any challenges to sew the dark fabrics. You can import different .pays design files and limitless embroidery designs with the aid of the ready-made USB ports. The embroidery hoop is an ideal choice to stitch larger designs. It also has an embroidery foot. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.